Hey guys, welcome back. If you're looking for a premium dash cam that can protect your car day and night, then you need to see the 70 my M800. This isn't just a regular dash cam. It's packed with advanced features designed to capture every detail on the road while giving you extra peace of mind. Let's start with video quality. The M800 records in stunning 4K Ultra HD, delivering incredibly sharp footage with excellent detail. Whether you're driving through the city or on the highway, license plates, road signs, and important details remain clear and easy to identify. But the real magic happens at night. The camera uses the powerful Sony STARVIS 2IMX678 sensor combined with HDR technology and a bright f1.8 aperture. This allows it to capture brighter, cleaner footage in low-light conditions where many dash cams struggle. Another standout feature is the built-in 128GB eMMC storage. Unlike traditional memory cards, eMMC storage is faster, more reliable, and designed for long-term recording without frequent failures. For safety, the M800 includes ADAS driver assistance features. It can provide warnings related to lane departure, forward collision risks, and other driving situations that help improve awareness on the road. There's also a built-in GPS module, which records speed, time, and location data alongside your video footage. And when your vehicle is parked, the 24-hour parking monitor keeps watching. If the G-sensor detects an impact or suspicious movement, it automatically saves and protects the recording. For even more convenience, the camera supports Wi-Fi 6, allowing faster footage transfers directly to your smartphone. And with the optional 4G kit, you can even monitor your vehicle remotely, receive instant alerts, and track its location from anywhere.